What is up? What is up, and how's it going, everybody? All right, so today is February 19th. It's a Wednesday. It's 4 a.m. I was just gonna do a quick little video for you guys. So this is the new KG-935H. I have the original KG-935G Plus here. So this radio has been out a few days, and I'm going to show you guys how to unlock it. So you push 2, turn the radio on. It's going to ask for password. Password is 1446. It says lock. Try it again. Hold 2. Oh. Says locked. Interesting. Alright, so I made an oopsie. It's 1445. 2. Turn it on. 1445. Unlock. It should restart. There we go. This repeater here, I put in the YouTube video I did, I actually manually put this repeater in on the keypad. It does have a PTT ID, beginning of transmission, and it requires an ANID 4-digit code to unlock the repeater. So we're going to try this real quick. Whiskey Romeo, Whiskey Quebec, 679 monitoring. Turn this one off. It's allowing it to key up, it's just not responding. the ceiling light's dimming. So it is keying up, or it's attempting to. Let me see. Menu. Turn the volume down. Make sure that
enter. Function select. Enter.
PTT ID, beginning of transmission, delay.
Enter. Enter.
Interesting. Yeah, it's key. This one's keying up. Okay. Alright, well. Another thing I want to show you guys is I want to show you how you can program this radio with Chirp. Even though Chirp does not have the KG-935H available on the software yet, you can use the 935G software or radio reference. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys real quick. I got the KG-935H plugged into the computer. We're going to open Chirp. Now there is no setting on here for Chirp for this radio. So the only thing on here that's available is the 935G and the G Plus. So the H is not available on here yet. But if you click the 935G, which is the other radio I have, this radio right here is the 935G Plus. Put that guy in the background. This is the H, just so we know that the H is plugged in. And then click OK. And it does read. It does read the H. No issues. There we go. It's going across. So you do have to use, at the moment, the Wouxun KG-935G on the software to read the H. And it's almost done, and it should restart. There it goes. And just to show you that it did work, we have all the frequencies in here. So 2 meter call, 70 centimeter call, 220, and then 2 meter, we have 1 through 26, on 10 through 35, and then on 40 through 60, we have 70 centimeter, 1 through 21, and then we have 70 to 75, or 70 to 74 is 1.25 meter, 1 through 5, and then Pinal, that guy right there that I put in, and positive 5. That wasn't installed for some reason, but I did fix it. It's supposed to be a positive 5. So if we go ahead and save, just do a quick little edit. G 935H. Save. I'm going to save that file. And then I'm just going to upload this back to the radio because it's not responding to Pinal at the moment. But we're going to just quickly upload it real quick. So you can use Chirp on the 935H. You just have to make sure you're using the 935G radio information or the model information on Chirp. Sometimes you have to use other radios to program different radios. It's almost done. Okay. Radio restarted. I'll put you guys right there for a second. Okay. Now, I'm going to try to key up. It's still not responding. But that's not a radio problem. These radios have an in particular issue with DTMF tones. But I can show you to manually key up this repeater because the auto dial DTMF isn't working. The ANID mine is 2802. So if you want to get the repeater to respond, just Whiskey Romeo Whiskey Quebec 679 monitoring. It's still not responding. Okay. Try that again. Whiskey Romeo Whiskey Quebec 679 monitoring. Yeah, maybe it's this antenna. Let's try a different antenna. Alright guys, so I'm back. Alright, so everything's programmed correctly. I'm not sure why it's not pinging the repeater. The dial tones, everything's working. So, as you can see, it's just not pinging the repeater. If I grab a different radio and walk away, this radio, Pinal's on the top key. That radio should light up. Whiskey Romeo Whiskey Quebec 679 monitoring. It's receiving. It's just not transmitting. I don't know. That's